All right. What I'm going to show you how to use today is the Google Drawing tools. The Spring into STEAM bookmark contest is going on right now. Entries are due on Friday, so I thought I would take a chance to show you a little bit of an introduction to the drawing tool so that you could use it for the bookmark contest or for other projects that you might have going on. The first thing you're going to do is go to your Drive, click New, More, and choose Google Drawings. So from your Drive, you're going to click New, More, and choose a Google drawing. That will open a brand new blank template for you to use. The first thing you're probably going to want to do is rename the drawing because as by default it comes up as Untitled Drawing. So click where it says Untitled Drawing and then give it a title. Maybe just write Bookmark Contest. All right. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about doing is how to add regular text. And then we'll move into how to do word art after that. So if you want to just do plain old text, you can click the T for the text box, click it, and then click and drag where you would like the text to go. So if on my bookmark I wanted to write Spring into Steam, I can do that. And then as far as changing fonts and color, click to highlight, go up here to change the font size. You can choose the font that you want from your font menu. If you would like to explore some more fonts, you can click More Fonts at the bottom of your font menu. And there are thousands of different fonts that are uploaded to Google that you can click to select if you find another font that you would like to use. So let's say the ones that are in blue are ones that I already have in my font library. So if there are ones that are in black that I like, oh, that looks good, click to select, push OK, and then that font will be added to my library. So that's one way to do text. Another way to do text is using word art. So go to the Insert menu and choose Word Art. You type your words here, and then click out of it. The nice thing about word art, you can still go ahead and change the font style, but if you want to change the size, it's a simple click and drag to resize versus having to highlight, go up to the size, try a different size. So word art allows you to do that. The next I'll talk about is the shapes. So if you want to, let's say, draw a flower, for example, you can click the shapes, and there are lots of different options here. You can click and drag to draw. So let's say I was going to draw a flower. I could make the stem, go back to my drawing tools, maybe I would make the middle part of the flower, and then go back to the drawing tools to make the petals. Now know that you can change the angle by clicking the blue circle on any shape to get it just the angle that you want. And you can copy and paste like you know how to do to add more petals. Some copy, paste, get another petal, change the angle, and so on. So those are the drawing tools. Other skills that I wanted to tell you about, the line tool and properties will be the last one. So you have the option, if you click the line tool, to draw straight lines. However, you do have the option to free draw, which is if you click the little black triangle next to the line tool, click the last one, scribble. That allows you to drag your mouse and do whatever you want. You still have the opportunity to make the line thicker and change the line properties when you use scribble. So if you would rather have free drawing, you can choose that option. When it comes time to print your bookmark, just come in and ask me for help because, as you can see from the steps, it's a 4-step process. It's somewhat complicated, and I don't want to waste your time learning it when you're just going to do it once. So when it comes time to print your bookmark, let me know. I will help you print it so that it's the correct size for the bookmark contest. If you have questions, ask Mrs. Vincent, or you can stop by and ask me later this week. Also, the rules for the bookmark contest are on the Poplar Bridge webpage and also the Poplar Bridge Media Center page. So if you have more detailed questions, you can visit our webpage, click under the Spring into STEAM bookmark contest, click here, and you can get all the information that you need as well for the bookmark contest. Looking forward to seeing your entries, and thank you for participating.